Good afternoon. This is Scott Smith from Central Valley HHO, doing some more data and showing what our technology does for the diesel truck industry. This is our controller. This is a 2007 Dodge Cummins 3500 with the 6.7 in it, and it's a 2007 and a half. Worst year ever is what I'm told. But the interesting thing that I want to show you is look at this. Time since last regeneration. Look how many hours that is. I showed that to a mechanic and he was like, wow, that thing hasn't done a regen in forever. I go, right? So, but if you look at the soot load, it's 0.01. And what does it say up here? Stationary, desoot not required. This truck here has 193,000 miles. We put hydrogen on it when it had about 86,000 miles. And haven't done anything to this truck. The other interesting thing too I can show you is soot filter differential pressure, 0.03, 0.02, sometimes a minus number. That's due to the hydrogen technology. This is just more proof that our technology just prevents the vehicle from ever getting soot load concentration in the DPF. So again, if you look at my YouTube channel, you'll see this is our hydrogen controller. It's making hydrogen all the time on this vehicle. It's a set parameter for every given load on the engine. I know a lot of people know about these Dodge trucks. And again, I talked to a mechanic. These are the worst trucks ever to have is what I'm told. Check engine lights come on all the time. As you can see, it has no lights. But interesting thing is, like I showed you, this is super great data. And again, our technology is worth millions of dollars. I keep proving it to so many people. We're doing a lot of carbon cleaning for big corporation companies, and they can't believe the results. But proof's in the pudding. This is a, an Altel. This is a pretty expensive piece of equipment. I think it's around 2,800 bucks, to diagnose these vehicles. But again, more proof to show you guys that hydrogen on demand is the way of the future. But anyways, I just do another video like I always do, proving our technology. This is Scott from Central Valley. Thanks.